A warm welcome to our audiences and viewers. নমস্কার, আমি শোয়েব আহমেদ মোল্লা আর আপনারা দেখছেন স্পটলাইট। আর আজকে স্পটলাইটে আমাদের সাথে রয়েছে একজন খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ গেস্ট। তো চলুন আলাপ করা যাক। আমাদের সাথে রয়েছেন আজকের অঞ্জলি শাহ।
নমস্কার স্যার।
So I can see that you have been awarded with iGlam Mrs. India Earth 25-26.
Yes, that's
wow.
correct.
And you have got a beautiful crown, I
Thank
see.
you so much.
Okay, so would you like to share about your journey?
Yes, definitely.
Please.
Being in iGlam was one of the most prestigious thing I have ever won as an award. I have participated in the state here and got Top Model Bengal 2025. And then after we went for nationals, and there I again won the title of Mrs. India Earth 25 and 2026. So I'm very delighted and happy thanks to iGlam who have given me this platform to showcase my talent and letting the world know that a woman who is at home taking care of the family, their children, their household activities can also win a title and be in a beauty pageant.
আর আমি খুবই কিউরিয়াস অ্যান্ড খুবই কৌতূহল এই যে মিসেস ইন্ডিয়া আর্থ 25-26
Yes.
তো এটা সম্পর্কে কি আমি জানতে চাই আপনার কাছ থেকে।
This is the title. I was in top 3, so I got this title, and this title I am very delighted to take because I am very much grounded, and I just want to dedicate this to iGlam team, my mentor Debjani ma'am, and this was also a title for my kids because they have seen me growing as a fighter for them in their life. So I wanted to tell them that your mom is a fighter. If I can do, then you also have to attain certain like a level in your life.
Absolutely. From which year did you start into modeling? When did it get started?
Oh, no. This is a very great question for me because I was never into modeling. This was my first time I have like chosen this path. I wanted to do something. I have been like, I always wanted to be in a glamorous industry. That is why I have done air hostess training as well. Due to some family family problems, I was unable to go into that. I lost my father that time when I completed my training with Frank Finn as air hostess training over there. So I always wanted to be in glamorous industry. However, after getting married, having 2 kids, so I was unable to do anything in that field. So when I came to know about iGlam, I was very excited. I really wanted to explore myself. I wanted to showcase that okay, yes, I can do. I have that ability to attend this like position over here.
You have so beautifully defined the term fashion.
Yes,
You have given the definition.
Yes.
And one more thing is that you have got a supportive family. That is there.
I have 2 kids.
Okay.
Actually, I have lost my husband 4 years back. So alone I am managing everything. That is why I said, as I said, that this is something which I have done for my kids. I wanted to show them that their mother is a fighter. So they should not stop themselves. Nobody has to do that. A woman has to go like beyond the limits. And they, everyone should know that there is no limitation for women to stay just at home and just thinking over their mind that okay, I can do or I cannot do. If you go out, if you work hard, if you dream big, definitely you get it.
So, and you are an inspiration again. So
Thank you so
what
much.
do you do to maintain yourself, your diet, your fitness goals?
Yes, I am very much into fitness. So I keep myself a track online. I do dieting and all. Sometimes I do intermittent fasting and sometimes a normal diet I used to follow at home. Some workouts, yoga, meditation I used to love. I love to do. I have done Reiki course also. I have done yoga meditation course also. I have done counseling course as well. Recently, I have completed my professional makeup artist course as well. So I do not just sit at home and being a mommy at home. I wanted to be a super woman in
like we
in
have
all
heard
the terms.
about Powerpuff Girls, right? So she is the perfect example of one. The way you channelize and balance everything, I'm absolutely awestruck.
Thank you.
It's an honor talking to you because getting to this title, how do you feel?
I am feeling top of the world because this was not easy. As I have told you, after losing my husband, after I lost my husband, many challenges I have faced in my life. As people were not, my in-laws also were there. Everyone was there. My maternal family was there. But at some point of time I thought that they will not allow me to do something, not to work, not to go outside. People were judging me. The biggest challenge which I faced was people were saying that why have you put your children in that school, take out from that school and send them to a school where I have to pay less. I was being judged for my dressing also, that if you are a widow you have to wear certain dresses only, because I just feel that this is not the end of the world. Nobody should this was something which I have not opted for. This was my destiny that this has happened to me. But I just wanted to tell all the women that go out, live your dreams, live your life, because you have your children, you have your family, you have to live for them. So that is why I am here, and I want to inspire all the women, those who are sitting at home and just thinking that we want to do something. Go out, step out and live your life and do something for yourself.
So I would like to just ask you that please do suggest the upcoming participants who wants to proceed or who are just scared, who are not being able to proceed বা যেতে পারছে না, এগোতে পারছে না, তাদেরকে কি পোস্টটা দরকার সেই যদি একটু আপনি
Definitely.
একটু
As you have seen my journey, if a woman like me can do this, then definitely you can. You just have to push yourself. You have to cross that barrier. You don't have to live on that closed doors where you will just think about the society and everyone around and not thinking about yourself, not living your life well, not living for yourself. So you have to break that barrier and then you can move ahead and definitely will achieve lots of success in life.
And any other goals you have, or
Yes,
like you
yes,
want to
I have
proceed
to
with
go.
this, or you want to like quit this?
No, I'm not
chance of
going to
quitting.
quit this at
Great.
all, because this journey was wonderful. My mentor Debjani Mitra, she is a lady, beautiful at heart, inside out. I have taken lots of inspiration from her. And because of her, I am here today. Because I don't know who else have believed in me, but she was the lady who always believed in me and said that no, you just go for it. You have all the potentials in you. So I am definitely not going to leave that lady at all. And I am definitely going to inspire the youth over here to achieve success in their life and do something for themselves.
Wow, very well said, very well said. And এখানেই আজকের আমরা শেষ করছি আমাদের এই ডিসকাশন আর যে কনভারসেশন উইথ ম্যাম। আর আপনারা দেখতে থাকুন স্পটলাইট শুধুমাত্র TV9 বাংলাতে, আর সাথে থাকুন।